How to fix VALORANT unable to load? We are having trouble signing you in right now. Please try again later error. First step, restart your device. Close VALORANT and the Riot client. After restart it, once the restore complete after, open Riot client and try VALORANT again. If the problem still remains, then move on with next step. Open run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for VGC services. Click it. Right click, click properties. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. One more time right click and click restart. Close it. Move on with next step. Open run and type the following text percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Riot Games folder. Click it. Delete caches in VALORANT and Riot client. I already deleted. You need to check it and delete the caches. Once deleting after, move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down. Search for Riot client and VALORANT. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application itself not having means you need to click allow another app in the bottom side. Search it. Then click allow another app in the bottom side. Click browse. Go to C drive. Riot Games. Riot client, you get the Riot client application. And go to VALORANT. You get the VALORANT application. Click it and add it. Once adding after, click add in the bottom side. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click add and enable in both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Close it, then move on with next step. Open this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. If you're not having the memory space means sometimes the error will occur. Right click it, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. It entirely scanning your C drive because all the files and folders are in C drive. That's why we are scanning C drive. Successfully scanned, no error were found. Close it. Then move on with next step. Open Riot client. Click the profile icon, click settings. This page will appear. In this you need to click the VALORANT, click repair and click start repair. It's entirely verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Successfully repaired. Close it, then restart your device. Thank you.